In this short tutorial, I will show you how to switch back to your personal account on TikTok. If you're currently using a business account on TikTok and want to go back to using a personal account, it's a simple process. To get started, open up the TikTok app and tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, tap on the account option. Now you'll see an option called Switch to Personal Account. Go ahead and tap on it. Then tap Switch Anyway to confirm your decision. Now you have successfully switched back to a personal account on TikTok. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.